Hey everyone, thanks for watching my videos. Have another unboxing for you. This time it's of a Enoze 1/18 scale Buggy. It is the, sorry it's upside down, 9306E. And what that is a cousin or brother to the Enoze 9303E. Also, the Pxtoys 9302. So Enoze and Pxtoys, at least for this 1/18 scale, are rebranded or the same. And we'll get into that. I just did an unboxing video of this, which you guys can see on my channel. So I'm gonna get this cut open and get right back to you guys. Okay, just cut the tape, so let's get this thing opened up. And you hear me mention in all my Enoze videos that I do recommend these over the HS 18th scale series, just because they're more hobby grade. They have a better chassis design. They have grippier tires. They have metal dog bone axle shafts. And check this out. So this one actually came better packaged because it has this top piece on there, which I'm pretty surprised and happy about. But these are fun. These are awesome. You can beat on them, and they have long battery life. I think a charge will get you 25 to 30 minutes. And I'm a sucker that when I find a good one, I like to have different styles for comparison. So here's a Buggy version, or sorry, this is an ATV side-by-side version. We got the Buggy here, and we got the Truggy here. I am going to avoid the short course truck. I do hear great things about it, but I just don't think it looks the greatest, and I have plenty of these already. But we went over in the other video, what's cool about this is they give you a wheel lug wrench and a little screwdriver. You know, it's a nice little touch, and it has come helpful at times. But you have your standard USB balance port charger for 2S lithium lithium ion, I believe. But basic controller, these are great because they actually do give you quite a bit of adjustment for being a basic controller, and no complaints with these. So yeah, that one's pretty good. Let's see what else we have here. Extra body clips and wheel nuts, which is awesome touch, because those do come in handy even for other RCs. And then here's your manual. I won't get into that, but to get into the features of this one, so this one is different from the other two. As you can see, this one actually has different tires. It has a staggered tire design, meaning thinner or more narrow wheels in the front, and these cool beefy ones in the back. Same thing as you get your metal dog bone axle shafts. These are friction shocks, worth upgrading if you do get into this, or if this is one of your primaries. This one has 3 clips, being a Buggy, but I'll show you the inside and how it is very much similar to this one. I'll go ahead and open this up too. And what I mean by that is a more hobby grade design. Components are accessible and exposed for you to replace or upgrade at your will, versus the HS, which comes with plastic shafts, plasticky tires with no grip, and you have a covered chassis, which you have to take apart to get to your components and internals. So highly recommend these over the other 18 scale brushed versions, at least. And I'll get into the brush list in another video, and I'll also do a video on my recommendations for entry level or bang for your buck RCs. But these are super cool, guys. I have yet to put these to the test, but I can already speak for this one that this is awesome. And at least the Enoze Pxtoys 18 scale brushed are great value and bang for the buck, and you'll have a lot of fun with them. So the only thing I'll plan to upgrade with these two is I'll probably modify the battery tray or battery compartment to match like I do here using straps, so I can share the batteries. And then eventually I'll do oil filled shocks on one of them or all of them. And something cool to note that I mentioned, this one does not have the lights like this one does, working LEDs, but I do see that this guy is pre-wired, and so I think that one will be pretty cool once we power it up. But that's the unboxing. It's pretty basic. These came in pretty good, which I'm happy about. Again, I'm not gonna promote the seller because they've been pissing me off with 3 other orders that they haven't responded to, and one of them being an HS, so I can do a comparison video for you guys, but I don't know when or if they'll ever get back to me, so I have to open up a dispute with them or with PayPal just to get my money back. But they're not responding to 2 missing order shipments and a damaged body on a 3rd shipment. So good luck, guys. But I do recommend these, and maybe you could find a better seller. But very cool. I waited 2 months, pretty much 2 months, for both of these to come in. But definitely had other things to keep myself busy with. So I'll get some running video on these. Maybe eventually I'll get another HS 1/18th to give you guys a comparison on. But I have had one and I played with it. I have no complaints with it. It's just my recommendation goes to this series for the reasons stated. So thanks for watching, and thanks for all the support. Please subscribe, like, all the YouTube stuff that you hear on the other channels. But it does help, guys, and I am very grateful when you guys help support. To give you guys an update on the FY08, I got too excited on my last run that I bent my front arm pin right there. So I did pick up a little stiffener kit, which is pretty cool, so I'll get this installed and put a video up for you guys. But definitely thanks for watching all my content. I also did an update on the ZD Racing Super Poo edition. It's just Impreza hatchback body that I fitted on there. Got a video of the HSP. I'm gonna run it against the Traxxas Fiesta ST, which is actually a little bit bigger, but we'll get into that in another video. Again, thanks for watching the unboxings and my little overview of the Pxtoys Enoze 9.3 series.